Hi, Karen here, and in this video, I make a friend out of an unexpected item.
Hi, I'm Shoebert.
I bought these crazy shoes on eBay, stuck a metal rod in the toe, and built a foil shape. Pinky kept us company. Then I covered Shoebert with Pal Tiya so that he could live outdoors, and gave him a colorful soda can tail. Time to make Shoebert's face. I imagined him as a youthful bird. Next, Shoebert was made even more colorful with pieces of cups, bowls, glass tile and rods, and ceramic petals. And of course, I left the heel of the shoe showing as Shoebert's distinctive beak. For the grout, I used a dark grout to make all of the bits stand out. I painted his legs and made his big yellow feet sit on a Pal Tiya rock. Well, he's ready to go to the gallery with Pinky. Let's get into the truck and we're off to the Trash to Treasure show at Mislin Gallery. So many people saw you guys and laughed when they understood that Shoebert got his name for a reason. Happy to say that both sold to wonderful new homes.